We have southern white rhino throughout each larger habitat, because as they are one of our keystone species, we started in the 60s. So how they clue up is having that lighter color, of course. And within each herd, there is a hierarchy. The advantage of a giraffe is obvious. They can trim trees, which is good because trees need pruning. Now, speaking of great views, look to the right at the Africa forest. Be trimmed by our Maasai giraffe at 20 feet. Head on down to East Africa next, road where we can't go to see others, like Cape Buffalo bachelors, fringe-eared oryx, and more southern white rhino. And again, more southern white rhino on the right side for you. Some sitting at the top of the hill on our right about 1 o'clock. That's the Tram. It has 3 cartfuls. Thorn tree is coming up on our immediate left.
I don't think they keep the mail.